How to fix the call ended problem on Android. So if you've been trying to call a particular number, or if you're receiving calls from someone but then you get the call ended problem on your Android device, what could be the cause for this and what are some of the things that you can do? The first thing we can try to do is to simply restart our Android phone. So depending upon the phone you're using, try to press the power or the volume and power buttons together and just go ahead and then give it a quick restart. You will be surprised. And if none of these are working, by the way, make sure to stick with me till the end. If one doesn't work, try the other one. Second thing what we will do is swipe down from our control center and simply enable flight mode, which will reset our network connections like our cellular connections. Try to do that and try to turn it off again and see if that helps you solve the problem as well. You also want to make sure to check your signal strength. So depending upon the particular area that you are in, it will require quite a strong signal connection in this case, like a mobile tower connection. You want to make sure you have that in order to be able to solve the problem. If that doesn't, you want to simply open up settings on your Android phone. Try to look for something like general or system. In the case of my OnePlus device, I can go to system. And from here, what I can do is I can go to reset. But I will not reset the phone. Instead, what we will do is we will select this option called reset network and Bluetooth settings. So what you want to do now is tap on that particular option, just verify with your biometrics or your fingerprint. And once you've done that, try to reset the network settings. You might also want to try to reinsert your SIM card. So basically, on your SIM card tray, try to restart it or try to remove it if it's a physical SIM card. If it's an eSIM card, then that's a different matter in this case as well. You also want to make sure that the power button end call option is disabled, because most of the phone app nowadays actually has a feature where you can actually just answer or end calls by using a power button. So if you have any sort of setting like that enabled, try to disable it so that you're not accidentally pressing a power button and then actually deactivating your calls. You also want to make sure you have got enough balance on your phone. So depending upon the network provider you're using, you might want to check that as well. And hopefully some of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.